Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Kendriya Vidyalaya school admission online. Navigating the admission process can seem daunting, but we're here to simplify it for you. We'll cover everything from understanding the eligibility criteria to successfully submitting your application. Our goal is to help you confidently complete each step, ensuring you have all the necessary information to secure a spot for your child. Let's get started on this important journey together. Before you begin, it's crucial to understand the eligibility requirements. For instance, children applying for Class 1 typically need to be at least 5 years old. You'll also need to gather essential documents such as a birth certificate, proof of residence, and any applicable caste certificates. Make sure you have a valid mobile number and email address ready, as these are vital for registration and communication throughout the process. The online application process is straightforward. First, visit the official Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan admission portal. You'll need to register as a new user, providing a valid mobile number and email. Carefully fill out the detailed application form, ensuring all information is accurate. Finally, upload scanned copies of your required documents, paying close attention to the specified file formats and size limits for a smooth submission. Once your application is complete, take a moment to review everything thoroughly before the final submission. After submitting, remember to print out the acknowledgement slip and the filled application form for your records. Keep an eye on the official KVS website for important updates, including admission lists and further instructions. Be prepared for the document verification process at the allotted school, which is the final step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.